Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a post on TikTok using your computer. First, you just need to open the tiktok.com and then sign into your account. And if you're a creator, you can easily schedule your post for later. So here I'm going to show you how. First, there are two ways that you can do. You can directly tap on the upload button in here at the top. Then you'll be directed to the TikTok studio like this. You can just you need to verify this here. And after the verification is complete, you can just select your videos. Here I'm going to, for example, select this videos right here. Now what you need to do is just filling in the description or caption, select the cover, and set who can watch your video. And in here at the bottom, you'll see when to post. So if you want to schedule it, you can just click on this, click on allow, and after that, select the time that you want to post it. For example, I want to post the video for next week's. Just select the date and also the time, just like this, and after that you can tap on schedule. So just like that, now the video will be scheduled. So there is another method in here. What you need to do, let's go back to the tiktok.com. Okay, so in here what you need to do is click on your profile at the top and then go to the business suite. So in here you can see there will be this scheduler option, so you can tap on schedule now. Here you need to select the date. Again, I'm going to select for tomorrow, for example, and after that you can click on continue. Now you can just select the video to upload. Again, click on open, and in here, as before, you can write the caption, edit the cover, and the schedule has been chosen. Now you can just click on schedule after that. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can schedule a post on TikTok PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on